Hello, good evening, grade 10. So for today, I'm going to discuss with you the remainder theorem. Okay, so in the remainder theorem, it states that if a polynomial p of x is divided by the binomial x minus c, the remainder obtained is p of c. So if we are going to explain the remainder theorem, if you have a dividend which form in a p of x and your divisor is in a form x minus c, the remainder is equal to p of c. So, ibig sabihin, you have to obtain or you have to get first the value of your c and substitute to your polynomial p of x. Okay, so let me give you an example how we illustrate the remainder theorem. So for the first example, what is the remainder when p of x is equal to x cubed minus 4x squared minus 7x plus 10 divided by x minus 2? Alright, so first you have to get the value of your c on your divisor. The divisor here is x minus 2. So the value of c will be equal to 2. So we can equate our divisor by 0. And from that, we can get the value of c, which is by transposing negative 2 to other side, so that is equal to 2. So therefore, our c is equal to 2. And sabi natin, in a remainder theorem, the remainder is equal to p of c. So that is p of c, or let's rewrite first our polynomial. P of x is equal to x cubed minus 4x squared minus 7x plus 10. So, sabi natin our c is equal to 2. So, that is p of 2 is equal to, we have to substitute the value of c to our polynomials. So, that is 2 raised to 3 minus 4 times 2 raised to 2 minus 7 times 2 plus 10. Then, you simplify. What is 2 raised to 3? Okay, that is 8. Minus 2 raised to 2, that is 4, times 4, that is 16. And negative 7 times 2, that is negative 14 plus 10. Then, you simplify again by starting by 8 from left to right. Okay, so 8 minus 16, alright, that is negative 8, minus 14, that is negative 22, plus 10, that is negative 12. Therefore, our p of c is equal to negative 12, and that negative 12 is also our remainder. So, we can check our answer by using the synthetic division if we will get the same remainder. Okay, so if we have x minus 2, we can write our value of c here as 2. And the coefficients are 1, negative 4, negative 7, and 10. So you bring down 1. 1 times 2, that is 2. Negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2. Negative 2 times 2, that is negative 4. Negative 7 plus negative 4, that is negative 11. Times 2, that is negative 22. 10 plus negative 22 is negative 12. So, di ba, on our synthetic division, the value remained here is your remainder. Therefore, our answer is correct, that the remainder is negative 12. So, we are using the remainder theorem if we are asked to find the remainder only, not the whole quotient. Okay, so let me give you another example. Okay, for our example, so we're going to find the remainder using the remainder theorem by dividing the given p of x by a given binomial expression. Okay, so if we have here p of x is equal to x cubed minus 7x plus 5 divided by x minus 1, what will be the remainder? So to answer that, so on this remainder theorem, you don't have to insert 0 on a missing term. But you have to arrange first the polynomials in descending order when you are asked to find the remainder. Okay? So, if we have a divisor x minus 1, so that will become p of 1. Diba? Just get the inverse of negative 1. Then, yun yung isa-substitute natin sa ating expression. Okay, so that is 1 raised to 3 minus 7 times 1 plus 5. 1 raised to 3 is 1 minus 7 times 1, 7 plus 5. 1 minus 7 is negative 6 plus 5, that is negative 1. Therefore, our P of 1 is equal to negative 1 and that is also our remainder. Again, we can check our answer by using the synthetic division just to verify our answer if it is correct or not. Okay, so the divisor is x minus 1, so you have here 1. And what are the coefficients? 1, 0, negative 7, and 5. Okay, so on synthetic division, you have to insert 0 for the missing term. Okay, so wag kakalimutan yung part na yun. Okay, bring down 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Negative 7 plus 1 is negative 6. Negative 6 times 1 is negative 6. And 5 plus negative 6 is negative 1. And the remaining number here is your remainder. Therefore, our answer is correct. Okay, so again, if you are not sure with your answer using the remainder theorem, you can use the synthetic division just to verify your answer. Alright, so let's have another example. If you have 2x cubed minus 7x plus 3 divided by x minus 2, what is the remainder? So that is, what will be the value of c here if you have x minus 2? Okay, so that is positive 2. So you have here p of 2 is equal to 2 times 2 raised to 3 minus 7 times 2 plus 3. Okay, pinapalitan lang natin yung value ng x natin ng 2. Okay, then you simplify. 2 raised to 3, unahin muna yung may exponent. 2 raised to 3, that is 8. Times 2, that is 16. Negative 7 times 2 is negative 14 plus 3. 16 minus 14 is 2 plus 3, you have here 5. Again, let's verify our answer if it is correct by synthetic division. So if we have x minus 2, the value here will be positive 2. And the coefficients are 2, 0, negative 7, and 3. Bring down 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Negative 7 plus 8 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Again, the remaining number here is your remainder. And therefore, our answer is correct that the remainder is 5. Alright, so with that, I hope you understand the lesson for the remainder theorem. Again, it is used when you are asked to find the remainder when you divide a polynomial by another polynomial. Okay, if you want a practice exercise, let me give you just to practice if you really understood the lesson, and you can answer it or not. It's your own choice. Okay, so try to evaluate the following, then find the remainder. Alright, so for number 1, find the remainder when p of x is equal to 4x raised to 4 minus 3x cubed minus x squared plus 2x plus 5 divided by x minus 2. And for number 2, p of x is equal to 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cubed plus 4x squared plus 17x plus 7 divided by x minus 3. Again, you can message me if you want to verify your answer, if that is correct or not. Okay, so if you have any questions, just approach me when you see me in the classroom and here in Messenger. Okay, so goodbye. Thank you for finishing this video, and I hope you learned something.